Welcome to Basic Website Editing through the MA Web Center platform. Once logged in, please see the main navigation menu. You've got Home, My Account, Customer Manager, and Website. Let's take each of these one by one. When you press the Home button, it brings you to the home page of the dashboard. Under My Account, you will see the drop-down of Profile, Alerts, Billing, and Domains and Email. Let's start with Profile. In the profile, you can access all of your user profile information, and this is also where you can change your password to log in, as well as change a security question or request and reset a new password. Any of this information, once edited, must then be saved. Click on Edit, change the necessary information, and when complete, press Save. Next, under My Account, is the Alert section. Under the Alert section, you may find other alerts related to your account data. As you can see, there are no records here. Billing information. Under the Billing tab, you can see not only your website setup, but also your invoices. All loaded invoices will be displayed. Here is also where you can add a new credit card or debit card, as well as an e-check for monthly billing payment information. Currently, in this default website program, no billing information has been selected. Next, under My Account, are domains and email information. If you have yet to point your domain, you can register a new domain by clicking Register New Domain and selecting a domain name that is available and walking through the setup fees of your domain purchase. Otherwise, if you have an existing domain, one that maybe come from GoDaddy, Register.com, or another web service provider, click on Use My Existing Domain. Follow the instructions carefully. If you wish to point an existing domain registered with another registrar to a website, you must first contact that registrar and request the domain name servers be changed to the following values. In most admin panels of your domain editor, you can change the DNS settings. The domain name servers that you need in order to point it to an MA Web Center website is ns3.ivenue.com as well as ns4.ivenue.com. Sometimes you may be requested for the IP address, but that is not common. There are several procedures for changing this information. Please contact your domain registrar to find out how to do so. Note, if you currently use your domain to receive email, your email will no longer work once you make these changes. However, after the changes are complete, you can set up new email accounts in the domain and email application on your MA Web Center's platform. After the above changes are complete, please enter your existing domain below to point to your website. For example, www.integritysites.com, and then click Save. Once your domain has been added, it'll show up under the domain name here. Check the checkbox, and then you may manage email accounts by adding new email addresses. Again, as a side note, if you have current domain-based email, be sure to forward those emails to another email account or ask your current email provider if those emails will be archived and if you will still have access to them once you switch your domain name pointing to the domain name servers for the MA Web Center program. Contact live chat support for more help. Under your Customer Manager tab, you have the following access: a customer dashboard, your contact database, your calendar manager, and any form responses that you may plug in. Under Website is where you'll spend most of your time. Your website dashboard brings you to your website editor. Under your website editor, you can add pages, edit pages, view the live website, edit the website properties, promote your site to the search engines, manage the e-commerce, view your reporting and site statistics, or in this case, the website has not been purchased, you can also activate your website here. Under the website drop-down, very similar. You can be brought to a page list, add a new page, view the live site, access the Design Center, documents, the tools where you can also find the file manager, site promotion, the website analyzer, as well as your social media status updates, your e-commerce, your reporting through your statistics page, and of course, this site has not been purchased, so you could activate the site here. For the most part, most of your questions in a basic setup will be under the page list. Under your page list, you will notice that you've got your pages, every single page that is in your website. Currently, there are 5 pages: Services, Home, Feedback, Contact Us, and About Us. The file names are what happen to appear after the URL. In this case, http://www.integritysites.com/services224.html will bring you on the internet to this page. The menu item, if there is a menu item for the page, as well as the page title, the status, whether it's been saved, modified, or published, the date the page was created, and the last date it was modified. All the information is necessary is here. If you select the checkbox, you'll highlight these other buttons. You can edit the page and go into the What You See is What You Get editor. You can edit the page properties. You can change the home page default. You may disable the page, re-enable the page, or delete the page. Editing the page brings you to the website editor. It is a What You See is What You Get editor, WYSIWYG editor, where you can actually see the layout of your actual page. As you highlight over, the selections change for you to edit. Please see the What You See is What You Get or WYSIWYG editor video for more information. Back on the page list, with the checkbox selected, you may also access the page properties. When selected, it brings you to some advanced tabs such as meta tag data, your short page name, your file page name, the page title, which then notices here, the text displayed in the bar at the very top of the browser window above, back, forward, refresh, print, etc. in your browser. Search engines assign importance to the words in the page title, and they usually display the title within search results. The title should succinctly sum up with the contents of this web page. Experts recommend using no more than 8 words, and you should avoid articles, a, and, the, etc., contractions, and, or, prepositions, in, by, for, to, and superlatives, super, cool, finest, greatest, number one, outstanding, unrivaled, best. And this will help you with your search engine meta ranking. Page keywords are keywords specific to that page where people are viewing. It's a comma, separated words, or phrases that best describe your website. In this case, web space design, comma, web space hosting, comma, best website builder, comma, so on and so forth. In the page description, this is actually the description that appears in your search results under the page title. An overall description of what your website that helps attract visitor interest to that page. The description should be 1 to 2 sentences in length and should not repeat the exact words in the page title. All of these should be keyword rich for best performance. When complete, click Save. Those are the basic functions of your website through the MA Web Centers platform. Please see other videos with specific information on how to change text, drag and drop images, setting up forms, and more. The last item we will review are the buttons of adding a new page, creating default pages. Every single page you can build a preview and view the preview before anything has been published to the internet to see. Once the changes have been published, then the internet world will see the changes on a live website. To see what those changes may look like, click on View Live Website. Thank you very much for this quick tutorial, and as always, for any questions, you may dial 1-866-WEB-HELP for more information for our unlimited tech support, or click on Live Chat Support and talk to a representative today. Thank you.